Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Wind free with any Android phone. And to do this we have to click and hold the power button, then click and hold this button to enter for the pairing mode. Now release, go to the Bluetooth, click on the pair new device, select your JBL Wind free, accept the pairing. Next, we can also try if this speaker is working with the JBL Portable application. So you have to open the Play Store. Right now it is looking for the nearby devices, but it looks like we cannot use this speaker. We can also take a look for the list of the old speakers. So as you can see, unfortunately this speaker doesn't work with the application. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.